Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are here, I am Abdihaf and I make beginner-friendly Arduino projects to help you learn electronics one step at a time. Today we are building a traffic light system, so let's get started. To build this project, you will need an Arduino Uno or any compatible board and a resistor, 3 resistors, 220 ohms each, and breadboard and LED lights, 3 LED lights, red, yellow and green, and a bunch of chamber wire. And now let's get started wiring. But first you have to know every LED light has a long leg and a short leg. The long leg is the positive, which will be connected to the resistor, and the short one which will be connected to the ground. And now bring your breadboard and let's get started wiring. As we say, the short head will go to the ground and the long leg will go to the resistor. After we put the LED lights in the right arrangement, we will bring the resistor and connect them. And for those who don't know, the lines in the middle, the current will flow vertical, and those are on the side, the current will flow horizontal. Then let's connect the resistor to the LEDs. And then let's connect LEDs to the GND or ground. And for the other side, here's how the circuit works. The red LED goes to digital pin 8. The yellow LED connects to the pin 7. The green LED connected to pin 6. Each LED connected through a resistor to ground to protect it from burning out. And now let us upload the code from our computer. Everything you need in this project I will put it in the down description. And now after we upload our code, let us see how it will be or how it will look like. That's it for today's project. If you find this helpful, give the video a thumb up and subscribe so you don't miss the next project. And let me know in the comments what you want me to build next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.